I'm going to select Daily Gradebooks, and then I'm going to open my gradebook, and I'm going to scroll over and select the gear on the far right. This is my settings. I'm going to make sure that assignment abbreviation and name are both selected, as well as the due date and the assignment group name, the max points, and this assignment status is seen by students and parents. I have also selected to see the average for the assignment. That is optional. These other items here are not optional. They should all be selected. The other option is to see whether or not you want to publish your assignments immediately as graded or upcoming. All graded assignments can be seen. Upcoming assignments, the girls do not see the grades once you have put them in until you change them to graded. So once you've made your selections, you hit submit, and then we have this information with each assignment. My published status for my assignments is graded. When I select the pencil, I can change that. So right here is where I would choose graded or upcoming. If this assignment was upcoming, my parents and students could not see the grade, which can be very confusing. So I want to make sure that once I put grades in, I have selected graded. And I hit submit. And now my students can see, when I select Riley, for example, she will be able to see all of her assignments under the daily assignments and comments. We can see that that in AP World, she has some upcoming assignments, and then we can see her graded assignments. And this, once you put your comments in, this is also where your comments will appear on the far right. And they're average to date. If no information about the assignment group weights is posted on the far right, that means that the class is using max points.